the light of my soul, reach the boundless depth of a heart wasted in a grave. Think about the past, which gives you sorrow, and know that there is no universe without harmony, and no illusions without dreaming. Oh, through your eyes I see a light which shows me the way into your paradise, into your paradise, into your paradise. There is no